Can you go somewhere, please? Because I don't have the time. I hear you walking up there. It's not that hard to pick up. Go somewhere. Do something with your life. Every single time I gotta deal with this, so I'm just, okay, my ring. Let me put on my ring. Cause I am married. Hello everyone, comment est ça qu'a fait? C'est Jasmine là. Comment est? Moi papi mal. In today's video, I am sharing with you my foundation routine, and I feel like this is it. I don't wear makeup all the time, but when I do, girl, this is A1. I really love how my foundation has been looking as of late. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it, so I think this is a winner. So if you want to know how I do my foundation whenever I wear makeup, then definitely keep on watching. Before I put on my foundation and all that stuff, I did apply the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid treatment. I've been using this for almost a month. I'm going to write a blog post very soon at the end of 30 days to show you how my face has progressed. I've taken photos every single week, so definitely stay tuned for that blog post on jasminerose.us. My face is just like naturally glowy, right? Primers of choice that I've been using, the Tatcha one and the Urban Decay one with SPF. Being that I'm not going out today, I'm gonna use the Tatcha. And like I mentioned in a previous video, there's really, to me, I really don't notice anything like spectacular with this. So I don't know, I won't be purchasing this again because it's so expensive. If they want to gift it to me, I'll take it. Primer is on. Now, what I usually do afterwards is I take a setting powder, just like Auntie Jackie does, and I set my face, you know, before I apply the foundation. And I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is in medium, translucent medium. I'm a fan of the peach setting powder, but this one is really nice. It really gets you matte, but I'm not gonna apply too much, you know. I'm taking it on the back of this here beauty blender. I'm just gonna like tap tap tap, blow a little bit, maybe apply to the center of my face and to like my laugh lines, because I crease there a lot. Just like any area that creases or gets super oily for me, which is basically the center of my face. And I even put it on the brows. I feel like I'm looking like Casper's cousin right now, but don't worry, this is all gonna get better as time goes on. Now I'm going in with foundation. I'm taking the Born This Way foundation in Tiramisu. This is one of the foundations that Jackie created, and it works really well with my skin tone. I didn't think it was gonna do me so well, only because I sometimes find that I have like a neutral kind of undertone, but I guess this summer I'm like golden. Sometimes with a brush I like pat the foundation on my skin, but I'm actually gonna use my beauty blender. I just spray my beauty blender just a little bit because I don't want the product to be all up in here. So I just take a dab and put it on the center of my face and blend out. Okay, I need a method. And what I like about this kind of method is that I'm not packing on the foundation. I find that I really don't need so much, you know? I just take one pump and I'm good to go. And I always do my neck. It's kind of like this natural look, right? And it goes kind of with my chest. See? Not too light, not too dark. Next, I like to take my concealer, and I swear to God, this is not a Too Faced sponsored video, but a lot of the products that I do have are from Too Faced. This being another Too Faced product, this is the Too Faced concealer. I'm in the color Chestnut, and I just use this to highlight the center of my face. do maybe 3 dabs on the center. Do a little bit of that. Do here. And do that. So I'm gonna start patting this in. And this is just adding dimension back into the face. And I look up when I do my under eyes to prevent creasing. To set my under eye, I'm going back in with this Born This Way concealer. I'm taking this kind of angled brush. This is from Juno & Co. I don't like to bake a lot under the eyes just because I'm getting older and I don't want my under eyes to look and be super dry. So I'm just taking it and like tapping it under. And I like to look up for this as well. And I also like putting a little bit of the setting powder on my brows. That way, when I have to do my brows, there's some friction there and like the brow pencil has something to grab onto. I'm looking quite flat and this is probably, well, I should have contoured before I set. It's whatever. So for contouring my face, I've been using this Flesh Beauty stick. This is in the color Expresso. This is the darkest color it comes in. And I just put that like on the hollows of my cheek and around the perimeter of my face. And I even use this to contour my nose. So right there, 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 right there. And then I do like there. Just like blend upwards like that. I'm taking my finger to blend out the nose contour. And this is just adding the shape back. I'm not trying to like change the shape of my nose. Just want to add a bit of shape. Cause like sometimes in photos when you don't have all these contours and highlights, it just looks really flat. To set some of my face, I'm taking this Huda Beauty setting powder. This is in Coffee Cake. I mean, look, this is what I got at the moment. Tapping and just like blotting, making sure to hit up the areas where I contour just to take a little bit of the edge off. I'm gonna do my brows and my eyes off camera and then I will be right back. Now I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face. Before I put on blush, I like to put on a highlighter. This is the Becca highlighter in Chocolate Geode. It's absolutely incredible and spectacular. And I just put it on the high points of my cheek, maybe a little bit over here. I even like to put some on the chin, Cupid's bow, center of my nose. To finish up the look, I like to use a setting spray to keep everything in one place. And I'm taking this Urban Decay Chill setting spray. It's cooling and hydrating. And there you have it. All right, so this completes the foundation routine. Hopefully you guys found this useful and informative. And if you did, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. That way I know to keep filming these kinds of comprehensive tutorials. Comment down below and let me know what other sorts of videos you would like me to film next. I am taking requests. Please remember to subscribe because I make videos all the time. I'm really trying to get remotivated again to do YouTube, and I feel like I'm on a roll, you know? I feel like I got a really good setup here and I like what I have going on so far. So please subscribe to my channel, please, please, please. I really appreciate it. And that is pretty much it. I am signing out today. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.